This might sound bad. This lipstick smells like the hookah tobacco fruit punch. Don't judge me, y'all. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Glambykiki. Welcome if you are new. Hello. Today's video is something very special. It is a tutorial slash appreciation video of 1K subscribers. That means we are 1K glam fam, a big glam fam. I want to thank each and every one of you with this beautiful video. It's something that's out of my comfort zone. It's something I don't often do, but I would like to do more often, and because you guys show so much love and give me so much inspiration as well as motivation to get up and do these kind of videos, I wanted to do something to give back to you, and I wanted to do something very glam, very glitzy, very out of my comfort zone. So I decided to go ahead and do this very glitzy eye, a red lip, which I don't do, as you guys can see in my Instagram. If you guys are following me, all my social media will be down below. Make sure you check that out before you guys leave. I want you guys to know that I am truly grateful for you guys, and that if it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be doing this, because I really love making videos for you guys, and you guys very much motivate me, as well as give me strength to go ahead and give you guys what you guys would like. So with that being said, make sure you guys are part of the Glam Fam. Make sure to subscribe to that link, and post notification bell is turned on, so every time I upload, you guys are notified. I love you guys so much. Thank you for your support. I appreciate each and every one of you. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. Okay, Glam Fam, I brought you guys up a little bit up close and personal, just so you guys can see how I'm doing the eyes. I am going to be carving them out with a P. Louise base. I'm using Rumor number 1 and a nice flat concealing brush. So I'm gonna be sketching out the shape that I want my eye to be. I'm super excited for this video, for the simple fact that it is definitely out of my comfort zone. Super special and glitzy today. So in honor of hitting 1K, which I'm super excited and very grateful for you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm just stamping first. So it's like a cut crease slash wing eyeshadow kind of look. So I want to get the shape just like this. So, oh, sorry, I'm not flipping y'all out, but I want to get the shape just like this. So when I set the eyeshadow gives this shape. So it doesn't have to be neat, but get it to the shape that you want. And then when you go in with the eyeshadow, you can go ahead and perfect it and all that jazz. So basically this is just the outline. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my ColourPop eyeshadow in the shade Beam Me Up, because that's what we want to be, beam the up, okay? So this is basically like a silver blue based eyeshadow color, and I feel like having this base set down would definitely stand out nicely when I set the jewels on top of this. Now that you got your eyeshadow like this, I'm gonna start putting on the glitters. I'm gonna go ahead and use my handy dandy glitter glue, which is my all-time fave for any application when it comes to eyeshadows that are very glimmery or foiled or glittery, as well as jewels. I'm putting it all over. I'm just getting creative today, y'all. Like, I don't know where this look is going, but I know in my head it looks a certain way, so I kind of want to reflect that. I'm gonna use the Sephora collection glitter. I don't know if you guys can see it. Go add your other glitter. I'm gonna go in with this Makeup Forever one. It's actually the ones I have on my nails. If you guys can't see, my nails are very glitzy, and that's kind of what gave me the inspiration to do this kind of eye look today. It was legit like 2 or 3 in the morning. I'm like, oh my god, I know what kind of video I want to film for my 1K subscribers. And it was literally this, and I was like, I can't wait to wake up to go ahead and freaking film this for you guys. Hopefully the vision that I have in my head is coming out to life. If not, it's okay. And I'm just going in. After this, I want to go in with the big boys gems, and for the gems I'm gonna go ahead and use glitter glue, and I'm sporadically gonna just, you know, place them. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna grab a mirror a little closer to me so I can go ahead and see what I'm doing. Okay guys, so I did the diamonds on this eye off camera and the lashes because I was having a little bit of a hard time where to place them, but I did this eye off camera as well, except the jewels. So I want you guys to see how I apply the jewels, just because you guys saw how I did the eyeshadow on this side and the glitter, so I just wanted to make it easier and quicker for you guys. But I am going to be using the same jewels that I used on this side, but they're going to be not the same. So I want them to be different. I'm just placing eyelash glue in the places where I want the jewels to be at. So the first one is going to be there. The second one is going to be right here. And the third one is going to be right there. And they're all going to be different. So I have like a mixture of like diamonds as well as pearls. So feeling extra bougie, detailed, and placing things on the right. Okay, so that's the first jewel. I'll place this one right here. Got the pearls here. Don't fall, don't fall. This right there, sis. All right, let me know what y'all think about this look so far as well. Let me know how you like this background. Are you liking it better than the last couple videos or what? Because I'm having trouble of picking the right, you know, background, always changing it up. I think I'm gonna put one last gem towards the inner corner and then we're done. All right, this one's a different color. I'm gonna put some mascara on, and I am gonna put my lashes on. These are the Kiss Couture Collection Naked Drama, and this is the style Lacy. So I will be putting mascara on and popping her back in, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I brought you guys a little bit more farther away just so I can put my highlight on camera. And of course, I'm pretty sure you guys already know what highlighters I am using. Let me know in the comments down below which ones I'm using. I have two favorite ones, as you can see. So which one is it? Oh, so I'm giving y'all time to go ahead and figure it out because y'all should already know. ABH, so Hollywood. In with my handy dandy Artist Couture Illuminati. Ooh, this is so appropriate for this video. If you guys can't already tell, like, I draw myself in highlight, so this is totally optional. You don't have to go in as much as I do, but if you want that glow, that Glambykiki glow, you gotta layer up your highlights. I'm thinking of a color that I normally do not use on the lips, like hardly ever, and maybe on the holiday season, is red. So I am gonna go in with my Deck of Scarlet matte velvet lip color in the shade Siren, and this is a beautiful red. So I'm just gonna go in with this. This smells so good, by the way. It smells like candy. And set my face with my all-time favorite Hangover RX setting spray. So always make sure you set the look in place. I'll be back for the slow-mo. Guys, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial that I did for you guys in honor of reaching 1,000 subbies. Like, who would believe that I've reached already 1,000 subbies? I was literally like, I'm never gonna reach this goal, like, you know, like self-doubt, but you guys made it happen, as well as giving me strength, as well as giving me hope, and just letting me know that your girl is doing something right and she's on the right path. So thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart, and I can't say nothing else besides I really appreciate you guys, and that a giveaway shall be happening very soon. So make sure you are on the lookout for that. Inspired me, like, from that share. I think I'm gonna pop up a picture. That share 70s kind of like glitzy eye, but more modern with a little cut crease today. And as well as my nails inspired me to be like glitzy and like glam and very dewy and very like, yes, I am rich and I'm dripping in gold, which is totally the opposite, but I just wanted to feel like that today with you guys.